with Bianca. Pregnant, everybody. I'm 5 months pregnant. Okay, let's get to work. Today I will be doing, as I promised, the video on the DIY high chair tutu for my daughter's first birthday. All you will need is 4 things. So you need your ribbon, which is going to be pretty much your border to go around the high chair, and then your tulle, which I'm using 50 yards of white tulle. There's tons of colors to choose from, guys. A pair of scissors and a ruler because you want to make sure you just measure the length from the border to pretty much that stand where their feet will cut off, and that's where you will cut off the tulle tutu. And then of course I will put in front of the tutu, I actually will put this cute little border that I did get, which will go on top of the tutu. And you guys will see it all right here on Hi Moms with Bianca. So do like and subscribe to my channel. Now we're gonna get into cutting our border for the high chair tutu. That's what you will attach the tulle on. Now I'm using this as my measurement. It's 38 inches. Perfect. So I'll cut that. All right. So there we have it. Now let's get to tying that tulle on here. So it's super easy how you do this. I've already done 2, as you can see there. I'm gonna show you one last time. Just fold it in half. That's why we doubled it in length. You take it out under just like that. Make a little hole. See the hole? My fingers are coming through it. Okay. And then you just fold it over and put it through that hole. And you're just gonna bring it tied down, zip it down. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna time lapse the rest and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm already halfway done with this high chair tutu, and I want you guys to take a peek at this. I have like just a few more to go, not much at all, but let's go ahead and show you what it looks like so far. My skirt, check it out. Lovely, lovely. Just kidding. Right. Yay. Okay. So you're gonna tape it throughout because you don't want it to be falling on you. So I'm gonna tape it again like right here. And I'm gonna tape it again like right here in the front. So I'll do it again like right here. In the back. All right. Okay guys, so now that I have the tutu on the high chair, we're gonna get the other border, which is the one I was telling you about that I did get. Boop, boop. This is like the finishing piece right here. So you're gonna get some of your Scotch tape. And this is gonna go like right there, like right in the front. So like this. See how cute that looks?